Hi, I'm Brian with Hannon Law Limited, attorney for businesses and creators, and today I want to talk to you about the Corporate Transparency Act. The Corporate Transparency Act, or CTA, was passed at the end of 2020 and is a tool being designed for the purpose of tracking down money laundering and other financial crimes. Now, this act requires some reporting to the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network of the Department of Treasury. And what is being required is any entity that is registered with the Secretary of State needs to provide information about the owners of the company. Now, the ownership piece is limited to owners who have more than 25% ownership, and the question around entities with the Secretary of State is pretty much any LLC, corporation, S Corp, as it's just a tax election, public benefit corporation, co-op, etc. Now, this doesn't require immediate action. The system isn't set up. There's no way to actually do the registration right now. But we're talking about this because we're in the rulemaking process. Now, they've put out the advance notice of rulemaking where they're asking many questions around definitions and how people actually run businesses and all of those elements. So there are questions around, does a partnership count? Because technically it doesn't require a filing with the Secretary of State, but it's still a business entity or treated as one. Same thing with certain types of trusts. We're also looking at things around defining the types of owners who need to be included in this. However, the important part is once all of this rulemaking goes through, so we'll have a couple of rounds of public comment, adjustments, etc. This will be a registration requirement for a large number of businesses, and we need to prepare in some regard for that, because failure to report or a fraudulent report can have penalties up to $10,000 in fines and up to 2 years in prison. It is important to make that report in a timely manner. Now, you're not going to be able to do that until early next year, most likely. So I will try to keep you up to date on the shifting rules as they apply. Talk to you all next week.